how to find the number of protons, neutrons and electrons in a neutral atom, ions and isotopes. Before starting the lecture, click on the subscribe button and get access to our 100 of unique and simple lectures for free. Firstly, let me teach you about mass number and atomic number. For example, consider a neutral atom of oxygen and the periodic table, which is written as O16 and 8. Here, this upper number 16 is the mass number and 8 is the atomic number. Usually, mass number is greater than atomic number. Mass number is the sum of protons and neutrons, while atomic number is equal to the number of protons. We know that in a neutral atom, number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Thus, in this neutral atom of oxygen, there are 8 protons and 8 electrons. What about the number of neutrons? Well, to find the number of neutrons, always subtract atomic number from the mass number. So the number of neutrons is equal to 16 minus 8, we get 8. Thus the number of neutrons in oxygen atom is also 8. Secondly, consider a sodium atom. The mass number of sodium is 23 and the atomic number of sodium is 11. We know that atomic number is equal to total number of protons. So the total number of protons in this sodium atom is 11. Also we know that number of protons is equal to number of electrons in a neutral atom. So the total number of electrons in this sodium atom is also 11. What about the number of neutrons? Well, we know that number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. The mass number of sodium is 23 minus the atomic number of sodium is 11. So the number of neutrons in this sodium atom is 12. Thirdly, consider aluminium atom. The mass number of aluminium is 27 and the atomic number of aluminium is 13. Hence, the total number of protons in this aluminium atom is 13. The total number of electrons in this aluminium atom is also 13. The number of neutrons in this aluminium atom is 27 minus 13 and we get 14. So the number of neutrons in the aluminium atom is 14. Fourthly, consider chlorine atom. The mass number of chlorine is 35 and the atomic number of chlorine is 17. The total number of protons in the chlorine atom is 17 and the total number of electrons in the chlorine atom is also 17. We know that the number of neutrons in this chlorine atom is 35 minus 17 is equal to 18. So the total number of neutrons in this chlorine atom is 18. Now let me teach you that how to find the number of protons, neutrons and electrons of ions. Well, we know that ions may be either cations or anions. Cations are positive ions and anions are negative ions. Positive ions are those ions which lose electrons, and negative ions are those ions which gain electrons. For example, consider aluminium ion. We know that aluminium atom loses 3 electrons and become positive ion. Thus remember that this positive 3 means that aluminium is an advantage because it has given lone of 3 electrons. We know that mass number of neutral aluminium atom is 27 and its atomic number is 13. So the total number of protons in this aluminium ion is 13. We know that a neutral atom of aluminium, number of protons is equal to number of electrons. The total number of electrons in aluminium atom is also 13. But wait a minute. Now this aluminium has given lone of 3 electrons. Hence 13 minus 3 is equal to 10 electrons. So there are 10 electrons in the aluminium ion. The total number of neutrons in this aluminium ion is again 27 minus 13 is equal to 14. So there are 14 neutrons in this aluminium ion. Now consider an anion of oxygen. Usually oxygen atom gain 2 electrons and form a negative ion. This -2 means that oxygen is in loss because it has gained lone of 2 electrons. We know that the mass number of neutral oxygen atom is 16 and its atomic number is 8. The total number of protons in oxygen ion is 8. The total number of electrons in neutral oxygen atom is also 8. But wait a minute. We know that this oxygen has gained lone of 2 electrons, so 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 electrons. Thus, there are 10 electrons in this oxygen ion. The total number of neutrons in this oxygen ion is 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. So, there are 8 neutrons in this oxygen ion. Therefore, remember that in cations, positive charges like positive 3 is always subtracted from the number of neutrons. And in anions, negative charge like -2 is always added to the number of electrons. Finally, as a bonus tip, let me teach you that how to find the number of protons, neutrons and electrons of different isotopes. Well, consider the carbon isotopes, carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14. In carbon 12, there are 6 protons, 6 electrons and 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. So there are 6 neutrons. In carbon 13, there are 6 protons, 6 electrons and 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. So there are 7 neutrons. While in carbon 14, there are 6 protons, 6 electrons and 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. So there are 8 neutrons. Thus, using this method, you can easily find the number of protons, neutrons and electrons of isotopes. I hope that you have understood finding the number of protons, electrons and neutrons.